Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you are all doing well. Friends, it's my first YouTube channel and it's a brand new YouTube channel named the Dev Cup. I am here Kashan to help you in every of your queries. Uh, so let's get started. My first video is about how to create a loader through HTML and CSS web development. So first of all we will open File Explorer and then we will go to any of the folder in which we want to create our folder for our coding. I am going to desktop and here I will create a folder name my tutorial and I will double click it and CMD, then I will redirect to Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an integrated development environment which helps you to write your code for web development and other programming languages like Python and some of other programming languages like JavaScript and web development languages such as HTML and CSS. So we are here in my tutorial folder. First we have to create a file name index.html, then we will create style.css and then we will create a file name script.javascript. .html, .js and .css are extensions which tell the files what kind of work is present in these files. So currently we do not need the script file because we are making the loader with the help of HTML and CSS file. So currently I am deleting it and then here is the boilerplate link CSS. This link tells our Visual Studio Code that the styling of our index.html file is present in the style.css file. We will create a class name .container and inside the container class we will create a class name .loader. We will go to the CSS file and here we will type margin 0 and padding 0. Basically the asterisk symbol is used for the universal, which means that this symbol is used for targeting all of the elements present in our web page. I am using this to change my browser's default setting and its default margin to 0. Next I will target the loader and in the loader class I will write height 100 pixels and its width would be also equals to 100 pixels and we will give it a border radius of 50% and then we will change its border 10 pixels solid black. Basically 10 pixels is the width of the border of our loader and solid is the type of the border and black is the color of the border. We can also write dotted type but it's not professional for our loader, so I am here using solid type. Then I will type from border, from the top border 10 pixel solid and here we will change it to pink. And if I open live server, here I can see that my loader is in black and pink color. I have added the top border to pink to just show the movement of the border. Then I will type @keyframes for the animations. We will name the keyframe spin at 0%, at 25%, at 50%, at 100%. Then I will type transform rotate 0 degrees. I have set the rotate transformation of my loader class to 0 degrees. I will copy and paste it inside the 0% keyframe. Here I will copy paste it, and here too, and in 100% too. First I will write 90 degree, then I will write 180 degree, and then I will write 360 degree. You do not need 25% and 50%, so I am just cutting it, but if you add those, it will make your work more professional. So I am adding it 360 degrees. 0 degree is the default, and 25% the spinner will change the direction to 90 degree. At 50% our spinner or loader will change its direction to 180 degree, and then at 100% it will transform to 360 degree, which is a complete circle. The last thing I have to do is writing the animation. So we will type the animation name first. We will define its type, which is linear, and then we will write its duration and its count infinite. You could see that we have made our work successfully. Now you can see that our loader is properly working. If you want to put the loader into the center of your document or web page, here what you can do: go to the style.css file and target the container class and give it display flex property, align items center, and justify content center. You can see it just changed its direction to the top center. The align item is used for horizontally align the element center, and justify content aligns the elements or items in our web document to vertically center. And if I gave it a height for 100 viewport height, now it seems to be working. Yes, you can see our loader is properly working. Here we can write with an HTML tag, here's my first loader. You can see that we have made a small and beautiful loader with the use of HTML and CSS. That's for all today. We will be meeting in our another video. Hopefully you have liked my video, and I will try to make such videos for you to help you in your achieving your goals. Allah Hafiz.